It's time to meet the bully. He means to frighten us. This is how he does it. He huffs and puffs, or he speaks very quietly. He shouts. He sulks. He ignores us. He won't answer our questions. Stands too close. Puts his face too close to ours. Lots of questions, no time to answer. He glares. Pretends to punch us. He shouts at the pets and kicks them. He blocks the way out of the room. He threatens to shoot us. He bangs things, slams things and smashes things. He sits in an aggressive way. He puffs himself up. Secret movements or actions like pointing. He paces up and down. He cleans weapons. Goes out without saying where he is going or when he is coming back. He drives dangerously. What does the bully believe? He believes his behaviour is manly. He believes bullying works. Men own women. Women like to be kept under control, like pets. Women and dogs need to be trained. Men are better than women because their bodies are stronger. Women need protecting. It's the woman's fault for upsetting him. He believes bullying is okay if he has an excuse. He believes it's okay to kill your wife if she's seeing another man. He believes she made him do it. It is a crime to kill. It is not a crime to have a boyfriend. Where do his beliefs come from? He could have learned from his father that bullying works. Copied father and brother bullying mother and sister. Bullied at school, learned that it works. Sports and games, bullying to win. An old law which allowed a man to beat his wife, children or the dog with a stick, no thicker than his thumb. Training of soldiers. Violent films and TV programmes. Heroes are men. Songs about violence towards women, like Delilah. Some churches don't allow women to be priests. Women are paid less than men. MPs in the House of Commons who bully and shout at one another. So, what do we women believe? We share and accept many of the things that men believe. We believe what we've been told in the past. For example, that we need protecting. The bully makes us feel frightened, lonely, small, hopeless and depressed. The opposite to the bully is the friend. He loves his partner. He respects women. He thinks she has good ideas. He thinks women are valuable. He is fun to be with. Thinks women are as good as men. He is supportive and loving to all the family. Thinks people should be free.